24 what? Equal to what? No, sorry, positive 3 plus 3 equal to what? 0. What does A stand for? What is A here?
Negative.
A is what? And what is B? What is B? B is what?
24.
And what is C?
3.
So let's apply the formula, right? Pay attention. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you one of my favorite creative moments in mathematics. Hopefully nobody gonna do this ever. So I did this. 4 times 2 times 5. I almost couldn't sleep the whole day after I saw this. 4 times 2 is what?
8.
4 times 5 is what?
20.
And 8 times, then why did you stop? Why don't you go back? 5 times 2, and then 5 times 4. Remember, when you come to multiplication, when you multiply the first two numbers, the result is 8. Those two numbers are gone, right? You don't, it's not a cyclic operation. You don't keep going. In this case, if you have 2 times 3, then you go 2 times 3 is what? And then 3 times 2 is what? 6. And then 6 times 6, what kind of... Doctor says, oh, I forgot what he said. Negative b plus minus what? Square root of what? B squared minus 4ac divided by 2 what? A. Should you or should you not use parentheses?
Yes.
Yeah, you should. You don't want to make those careless mistakes. Remember, you call them careless mistakes. I call them repeating the what? Repeating the what? The semester! And you don't want to repeat the semester. This semester I kind of felt guilty that in factoring I only gave you 500 problems. Don't worry, I'm going to fix this next semester. I'm going to quadruple that amount. I really felt guilty, I don't know. I was surprised nobody complained. You should complain to the deans. This teacher doesn't give enough homework. I support you in your complaint. What are you going to replace B with? 24. Again, what are you going to replace B with? And what are you going to replace A with? And C with? And then again A with what? Negative 8. So let's go. This is negative 24 plus minus square root. What is 24 squared? What is 24 times 24?
576.
Okay. So let's go ahead and say 576, you said? Okay. Now here. What's negative times negative? And then 4 times 8 is what? Huh? 30 what?
2.
And then times 3 is what? 90 what?
6.
96, right? So this is plus 96 over negative 16. Now let's talk. This means negative 24 plus minus square root. What is 576 plus 96? 576 plus 96 is what? Huh? 6 what? 672 divided by what? Negative 16. Definitely you can't accept, let's pay attention. This is negative 24. Somebody give me an approximation of square root of 672. What is the square root of 672? An approximation would be what? 25 point what? Yeah, let's say 26, what the hell? 26, right? Negative 24 plus minus 26 divided by what? Negative 16, remember. So one of the answers is going to be negative 24 plus 26 divided by negative 16, which means 26 minus 24, 2 over negative 16, which means 1 over negative 8. This is rejected, because you can't have time that is negative, right? And one of the answers is going to be what? Negative 24 minus 26 divided by negative 16, which means negative 20 is negative 40, negative 30 divided by negative 16, which means 30 divided by 16, but approximately this is what?
Which means we don't see anything.
30 divided by 16 is what? 0 point what? I mean,
9?
huh? 0 point what? It's negative 1. Yeah, maybe we don't put this in the video.
Too late.
Maybe we don't put. So what's the answer? 50 divided by 16. What is 50 divided by 16? Is what? 2 point what? 3 point what? In the with the other said 3.12 as an approximation. Yeah, that's fine. But that's unacceptable. This means after 3.12 seconds, the ball will actually hit the what? The ground, and that is a considered reasonable time, right? Okay. Does anybody have any question after this? I want to thank you for participating in this seminar. I appreciate that so much. Thank you for being an outstanding class. Please sign your name after you go.